If you're also trying to get back reels to your profile grid on Instagram, then you're watching the right video, because in this video I'm gonna show you the exact process that you need to follow. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into the video without any further ado. Now, if you have removed those reels from the profile grid, the reels would not show up on the profile grid section and would still show up on the reels tab. As you can see, this reel right here shows up on my reels tab but does not show up on the profile grid. Now, to bring it back on the profile grid as well, you just need to open up the reel and then tap on the three dots on the bottom right. From here, head over to manage, and you can see an option called add to profile grid. You can just tap on this option, and once this is done, you'll need to just refresh your page of Instagram, and if you head back to your profile grid again, you will see that the reel is now added back. Similarly, you can add and remove those reels if you want. Again, for some reason, if you want to remove it from the profile grid, you can tap on the three dots on the top right, and you'll have a section of remove from profile grid. So this is the exact way that you can get back the reels to your profile grid on your Instagram account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily uploads that we post. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.